Camille Thompson here. So today let's talk about 3 platforms that you can put in place to start making money with your e-commerce store. So I always promote having your own website, right? You probably thought I was going to say Amazon. Everybody's on Amazon, and yes, Amazon is a known marketplace, and yes, there's a lot of sale on Amazon, right? But if you don't have the funds to support that, I would say use Shopify. A lot of top companies have been using Shopify to market their own brand, building your own community as the platform, right? So I recommend Shopify. The next platform I'm going to recommend is Etsy. I had a friend that kept telling me about using Etsy a couple months ago. She was like, Camille, put your stuff on Etsy. And I just kept procrastinating. And finally I did and start making sales. Etsy, that's not my main source, but it does work for me. The thing is, you want to make sure you are expanding your product to get the most out of it. Another platform you can think about is YouTube. Now, I'm not sure if you're a YouTuber, but I've been a YouTuber for quite some time. And recently they decided to integrate a store within our website platform. So now I'm able to capitalize on that and having my products on YouTube. Now you can always syndicate your products on different platforms depending on the e-commerce platform that you are using. If you are a YouTuber, go ahead and do some research and see how you can be eligible to have your products listed on YouTube. And then also you can put your product for Etsy, and then you have Shopify. So I hope this video was able to help you out, as well as giving you some clarity on how you can utilize 3 platforms, as well as syndicating your products to different platforms. All right, your girl here, Camille Thompson. See you around. Bye.